Hello, in this jQuery video I am going to show you how to get an attribute. One of the use cases for this might be you might have some attribute values and you might need that to store them in a database. For example, go in the JavaScript and apply it to another element, let's say based on a click, for example. So what we are going to do is just create an element. I'm going to create a div element, keep it simple. And I'm going to add a title to it. So title is going to be equal hello world. And in the text, I'll just say I am awesome. Save that. Let's get this all in one line. There we go. To retrieve this particular attribute, to get it, it's really simple. So let's say if we created a variable, so var, and we need to call this title var equals, you need to select your element first. So however you choose to select it, it could be directly just saying a div or based on the first element, or whatever property, doesn't matter. Once you've selected it, you do .attr and now specify the attribute name, so title, and if I do console.log and I do title var, and now if I reload it, as you can see, it is able to get hold of that little piece of code right there. So that's how you get a element once you've selected it. So any method you use for selecting it, that's how you get an attribute. In this case, it's the title. Then you could maybe, like I said, submit it to some backend code, save it to a database, do some validation on it, apply it to another element on the page. It's totally up to you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.